Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do the remaining questions of exercise 9.1. So here we start with question number 9, which is greater in each of the following. Means we have to find out the greater rational number amongst these. So let us see the first part. Now there are two ways of doing this question. One is to take LCM, make the denominator same and find out. And another way is to do the cross multiply, which we have been doing earlier also. So both the methods are correct. I am doing first part with both the methods, then you can follow whatever method you feel like. So if I cross multiply these two rational numbers, if I do by the method of cross multiply, then here I will have 2 into 2 and around right side I'll have 5 into 3. So this one is 4 and this is 15. So which is greater? 15. That means 5 by 2 is greater than 2 by 3. Alternatively, you can find out the LCM of 3 and 2 and it comes out to be 6. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 into 2, 4. The same thing is going to happen. 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 3 into 5 is 15. Now let us separate these two. 4 by 6 and 15 by 6 as clearly indicated. Which one is greater? 15 by 6 is greater. So we can say that 5 by 2 is greater than 2 by 3. Now both these methods are correct. You can follow any one which you want. Or you can do other parts by different method also. So it is up to you which method you follow. See second part. Minus 5 upon 6 and minus 4 upon 3. Let me do it by cross multiply. Remember, always remember, the number from denominator goes into opposite side numerator. If you change that thing, your question will be wrong. So, minus 3 will come and multiply with minus 5. 6 will go and multiply with minus 4. So, it is minus 15 and this one is minus 24. Now, which one is greater? Minus 15 is greater. That means minus 5 by 6 is greater than minus 4 by 3. See third part. Now I am doing it by making the denominator same by taking LCM. Let us write the second rational number as minus 2 by 3. Negative sign can be shifted from denominator to numerator directly. This we have discussed so many times earlier also. Now the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 12 divided by 4, 3. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Let us separate these. Minus 9 by 12 and minus 8 by 12. Now since they have same denominator, let us compare their numerators. Minus 9 and minus 8. Which one is greater? Minus 8 is greater. That means 2 upon minus 3 is greater than minus 3 upon 4. Fourth part, minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now, as discussed earlier, a positive number is always greater than a negative number. So here we don't need to solve anything. Directly we can say that minus 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 4. If we have a positive number and negative number, no need to solve it. Directly we can say that positive number is greater than the negative number. Now in fifth part, we have two numbers in mixed fraction. Let us first convert this mixed fraction into improper. 3 sevens are 21 plus 2, 23. So it comes out to be minus 23 upon 7. 3 fives are 15 plus 4, 19. So 19 by 5. Now either you cross multiply it or you can make the denominator same. Now LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. 35 divided by 7 is 5. So 5 into 23 minus 115. 35 divided by 5 is 7 and 7 into 19. So it is minus 133. Now let us separate these. Now since the denominators are same, compare the numerators. Minus 115 and minus 133. Which one is greater? Minus 115 is greater. So, and if this rational number is greater, it means minus 3 2 upon 7 is greater than minus 3 4 upon 5. Question number 10. Write in ascending order. Now ascending order means from smaller to bigger. Means out of 3 the irrational numbers, first we have to write down the smallest one, then bigger than that, and then the biggest one. Now here already we are given such rational numbers whose denominator is same. So directly we can compare the numerators, and if we see the numerator minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1, we can easily figure out that the smallest one is minus 3. So minus 3 upon 5 is less than minus 2 upon 5 is less than minus 1 upon 5. Or if you don't want to use the symbol, then you can write down in ascending order as minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 5. Now what if we have different denominators? Then we have to take their LCM and find out the LCM and then make the denominator same. So if we find out, though this can be done orally, if you find out LCM of 3, 9 and 3, it comes out to be 9. If you want, you can find out also. Instead of having confusion, it is better you find out the LCM. Now the LCM of 3, 9 and 3 is 9. So now since we are going to change the denominators, so numerators will also be changed. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Now separate these. The first one becomes minus 3 upon 9. Second one is minus 2 upon 9. And third one is minus 12 upon 9. Now since their denominators are same, compare their numerators. Which is the smallest one? It is minus 12. The next one is minus 3. And the greatest among these is minus 2. So now let us write down these rational numbers in ascending order. So the smallest one is minus 12 upon 9. Next is minus 3 upon 9. And last one is minus 2 upon 9. So the smallest one amongst these is minus 4 by 3. Then the next one is minus 1 by 3. And the greatest one among these is minus 2 by 9. Now there is one more part of the question, third part, and that is for your homework. You will do it yourself.